Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing a GCSE Foundation paper here. It's the non-calculated paper. And the first question we're going to look at is about coordinates. Question A says, write down the coordinates of the point P. And that's P there, where X marks the spot. Read down to 3, read across to 2. Remember, always X and then Y. So that's the X-axis there. Read down to 3. Read across to 2. So that's 1 mark there. And it says on the grid, mark with the cross X, the point with the coordinates -4, -1. So now we're going to do the reverse. We're going to take this pair of coordinates and plot it on the graph. Again, start with X and then do Y. X, we go to -4. There's the origin, there's 0. -1, -2, -3, -4. So we're looking somewhere along that line. And -1. There's -1. So -4, -1. Make it nice and clear. Nice big X there. And that should give us another mark there. So we've got 3, 2, -4, -1. On the grid, draw the line with equation y equal to 4. So we're looking for a straight line, but where y equals to 4 is actually a horizontal line because there's no change in the y value. Y is always going to be 4. So if I had both hands working and a ruler, I would do here. So at all these points, y is 4. No matter what the x value, y is 4 in both directions. So yeah, excuse the accuracy of that line, but if you use a ruler and you draw that, that is the line y equals to 4. That's the y-axis, and all those points are y equal to 4. Okay, and that should give us another mark to get us a total of 3 marks. Again, I say aim for a mark a minute, especially where the questions are short ones to save time for later word problems. Let's look at question 9 here. Here is a list of numbers 4, 7, 15, 16, 22, and 30. From the list, write down a multiple of 8. So if it's a multiple of 8, that 4 is a factor, 7's not even, nor is 15. 16 is in the 2 times table. And sorry, is in the 8 times table. Because if I'm getting that wrong, if I do 8 times 2, I get 16. So I know that 16 is in the 8 times table. It's a multiple of 8. Okay, and I can eliminate all the others. They're odd numbers. They're not in the 8 times table. That's a factor. Has to be 16 to give us a mark. It says write down a factor of 66. So a factor is something that multiplies up to get to 66. 66 is even. Well, 30 doubled wouldn't be right. It's going to be 22. I've crossed it out there, but I'll choose that one. Because 22 times 3 is going to be 66. So 22 is the factor there. And it says write down a prime number. Remember, prime number is a number that the only factors are 1 and that prime. So 4 is even. It's going to be 7 because 15 has multiple factors, so does 16 and all the other even numbers after 2. So it's definitely 7 there. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3 marks, another 3 marks so we can get there. There we go. That's some coordinates and primes, factors and multiples. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and good luck for your exams.